Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher Rama. Today we have speak and test. Okay.
Okay,
What's your name?
my name is Basha.
How old are you?
Uh, I am 11 years old.
Okay. And where do you live?
I live in Hạ City, Quảng province.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting a picture.
Okay. Now let's move to the second part. In this part, we have two topics. The first one, my favorite film. The second one, my dream house.
Yes.
Which one you wanna talk about?
I speak part one, my favorite film.
Okay. You have some time to think about the questions.
Yes. My favorite film is comedy film.
What's the name of the film?
It is Kung Fu Panda.
Okay.
The main characters in the film is Panda. Panda. I like this film because it is exciting, funny, and it makes me lunch.
Makes you happy?
Yes.
All right.
Um, I I watched it about 2 hours.
No. How many times have you watched it? One time? Two times? Two times? Okay.
Um, I watched it yesterday.
All right. And with whom did you watch it?
I watched it in the cinema.
With whom? With your friends or with your family?
I watched it with my friends.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.